What's up, everybody? Today I am back with you today with another tractor review, equipment tour, whatever you want to call it. And today we're talking about a 1961 John Deere 3010. This is an LP tractor. My dad rebuilt this quite a long time ago, sometime back in the early 90s. He restored it. I'd say it's fully restored. I don't think that he rebuilt the engine. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, you'll see it pop up somewhere up here. Anyway, so just gonna get you a video of this tractor and see what you folks think of it. My apologies. My nose is stopped up, so my voice may sound weird, and this tractor is filthy. So for those of you who like to see a clean tractor, I'm sorry. This is not gonna be one of those videos. We use it to feed hay with. It may be restored, but it's still got to pay for its keep. So stay tuned. Now, for those of you wondering, that's on the back is a homemade hay unroller that my dad built. I might show you how it works once I start getting a close-up of the tractor. All right, so while Dad is pouring out some cubes on that hay, let's take a walk around. First off, full disclosure, no side panels. Maybe not considered a full restoration to some people, but just talk to Dad. He said it was total front to back, bottom to top, fully restored when he did it. Second thing, yeah, I know it's not the right battery. We just hadn't bought 2 new batteries for it for a while. So let's take a walk around. It's got a bush hog loader on it. They had put that on there, and so as not to tax factory hydraulics, you see there's a pump there on the PTO. There's a custom hay unroller. These arms fold in. Pull the pin. It in, put the pin back in, it's out of the way. Now you just go back up to a bale and hook it up. Touch base with you when we get back. All right, folks, we're back up here at the house. Sorry about the end of that last clip where I was talking about the bale unroller. I need to fire that camera guy, man. He just kind of jiggled y'all all over the place when he was folding those spears in. Anyway, here's something interesting about this tractor. This wide front end actually does not go with this tractor. We took this out from under another old, basically parts tractor, 4320, quite a number of years ago, and put it under here. So this is a 4320 front axle. This tractor did have a narrow front end, tricycle front end, whatever you want to call it, and just a couple of the accessories. We have nice umbrella. We got the bale unroller on the back, and we have this step. My dad built this step so that my grandfather could get on here a little bit easier when he was mowing hay with it. Also, a bush hog loader. Works really well. Moving around to the other side here, you'll see a few more modifications. That hydraulic reservoir right there, we put that on it to help aid in the extra hydraulic capacity of the loader. You saw me show you the PTO drive hydraulic pump on the back, and that's its reservoir. Interestingly enough, that came off of an international cotton picker, repurposing and such. But the loader works really good and makes this a whole lot more user-friendly and usable tractor. So moving around the back, here's the hay bale unroller I was talking about. Dad built it, pretty self-explanatory. It had the fork, picks the bale up. The 2 spears you saw me folding up will swing around, catch the bale, take off, and it unrolls. Also, another accessory on this tractor is a buggy top. I do not remember the company that makes these, but that's what they're called, is a buggy top. And it works really well on this thing when you're in the sunshine. So, as of right now, this tractor is basically a chore tractor. We feed the cows with it in the winter, and in the summertime, it helps out shuffling some hay, loading up on trailers and such. And it used to see a lot more active use. It pulled 2 different Kuhn disc mowers, 3-point mounted style. My grandfather mowed hay with this tractor for a long time after my dad restored it, and that's where it got most of the hours on it after it was restored. So it's worked hard. We've done a few other things with it, but like I said, most of the time right now it's just a chore tractor. Well folks, I hope y'all enjoyed this second installment in our equipment tour series. If you'd like to watch them all, I'm going to link the playlist up there or up there. I don't know which side it's going to end up on. But if you like these videos, if you like these equipment videos, please leave me a like and a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll keep making these sort of videos because I see folks like them. Anyway, that's going to be it for today, and I'll catch you folks later.